Hello everyone, welcome to Officers Adda 24/7, the special YouTube series of your LRAB subject. We were doing the exam oriented questions of your LRAB which are very important. Plus we are doing the previous year question every day 3 to 4, 3 to 4. Okay, and please be on the time now. I always used to start this session at 9 p.m. but mostly students come after 9:15. So I don't think that this will give the benefit to you. So that's why if the teacher is here, if the teacher is, in the live interaction with you, because teacher is also sitting in the home and just seeing your chat that who has participated in this session. So it's a request to all of you to please be on the session at 9 p.m. session daily of your LRAB subject. Okay, you can see that this is a new foundation batch. Those students who are thinking that the May-June target of your JAIIB exam. So it's a new foundation batch. You can easily take admission here. LRAB, PPB and AFB. These subjects will be taught by these teachers. They are very much experienced. Okay. And now you can see the exact date also. LRAB will be start at 7 February, PPB 28 February and AFB 7 March. Okay. And use the code Y391 for the huge discount. Now, this is the new English medium batch in which, 10 January, your LRAB will be going to start. In this session, we will do the quick revision of your LRAB and plus we will done 125 case study question in this session. Okay, so please join this session. Now, exam oriented question and class number 7. It means 70 question we have done. This is very, 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 very important. Okay, now the first one, I think now the question is visible to all of you now because I have just changed the font. Okay, now, and these questions are very important. Number 1, what is the pecuniary jurisdiction? Pecuniary jurisdiction. Pecuniary means that is related to money. Jurisdiction means that the area, that is called jurisdiction. So what is the pecuniary jurisdiction of the state forum under the Consumer Protection Act 2019. So 2019 is the amended act. So it is rupees 1 crore to 10 crore, up to 1 crore, above 10 crore and none of the above. This is very important question because in your Consumer Protection Act this question generally come. In every act, if I say you, in every act only 3 or 4 contents are very important which you have to focus. And I really enjoy by seeing my, students who already take classes from me. So many ma'ams, sir, I just used to say, see the name of that students. I really feel proud that, oh, these students are still, they just come in the live session of the teachers. So if I talk about the pecuniary jurisdiction, so in Consumer Protection Act 2019, in the pecuniary jurisdiction, if we talk about the district forum, if we talk about the state forum and if we talk about the national forum, so the district forum in which we can file case up to the 1 crore. Please remember this one questions because in this question the state forum is asked. So it may be in your exam, it may be that they may be asked about the district forum, state forum and national forum. And state forum 1 crore to 10 crore and national forum above 10 crore. This is the exact pecuniary jurisdiction of the 2019 Consumer Protection Act. Before that, the in 1986 Act, it was district forum. I think it was up to 20 lakh. And state forum 20 lakh to 1 crore and national forum it is above 1 crore. This was the pecuniary jurisdiction of 1986 Act, but now it is totally changed. So please see this because scenario has now been changed now. So many things have been come. So in the Consumer Protection Act, what you have to remember, first of all, remember the definition of the consumer. Second one, territorial and pecuniary jurisdiction of the Consumer Protection Act and what are the authority who can be appointed as the chairman of the district, what is their qualification. This is very important. Okay, this is very, very important. Done. Now second one, Which of the following statement is appropriate of a consumer redressal mechanism? Okay. Okay. First one, the limitation period for filing the complaint before a consumer forum is 3 years from the date of cause of action. Okay. The limitation period of filing a complaint before a consumer forum is 2 years from the date of filing action. If an interim order passed, what is interim order? Interim order means before the order which is given before the judgment, that is called interim order. So, if an interim order passed by a consumer forum is not complied with, the property of the person who is not complying can be attached, but attached property cannot sold, and all the offences under the consumer redressal are not tried on summary basis. Summary basis means in a quick way. So, what will be the exact one? So, you know that none of the first one, na? Okay, A is the right answer, okay, this A is the right answer. Now, second one. So, for that thing, if you just see the limitation period, so in the Limitation Period Act, I have already, show a chart in your this one session. So, kindly see that chart. This is very important. And in generally, if I say you in the contract or in any basic thing, the 3-year limitation is generally given. The 3-year limitation is generally the, basic answer of this one, of limitation period. If I talk about the mortgage, then it is very high, 12 years, and for foreclosure of mortgage, it is up to 30 years. Okay. So, for that thing, for the second one, the exact answer is this is A. Okay. And kindly give me answer before I given you the exact reply. Okay. Now, third one. Places where the mortgage by deposit of title deed can be created are generally notified by? That is very good question. Whenever, in today's session also in 7:30 p.m. I just used, today we have done the Transfer of Property Act in 7:30 p.m. and I think mortgage, we have just done with the types of mortgage, and we have done the mortgage by deposit of title deed. And in this one, 3 places we have done Mumbai, Madras and Kolkata, 3 states plus notified by. See the question? Question generally asks from the important things. So what will be the exact answer of third one? For the third one, the exact answer is notified by the state government is the exact answer. Okay. And please, those students who give the wrong one, so please try to read the question 2 times before answering. Okay. Now, fourth one. Oh, red one. It means that is previous year question. In civil suit in which, oh my God, so much red. In civil suit to which bank is not a party. Okay, it is talks about a civil suit. Okay, civil suit means the party is X versus Y. Okay, this is party in which bank is not a party. One of the parties has produced the certified. One of the party has produced the certified copy of the books of account. Books of account means this questions come from the Bankers Books Evidence Act. Account. One party to the suit wants to call the bank officer as a witness to prove the contents of copy. Can be done in the normal course. Tell me the exact answer of fourth one. This is very important one because your previous year question is there. So the A option is yes, as it is the right of party to get reaffirmed in the evidence. B, no, as the certified copy as a prima facie documents that is admissible as evidence. C, no, unless the bank voluntarily to do so. And D, yes, if the party obtain consent of the bank. What is the exact answer? What will be the exact answer? I think this question also come in your 100 question of PDF, which is provided free to all of you. Okay. So the exact of fourth one is, I think, as the certified, it is B is the exact answer. If the bank is not the party, then simply we cannot file the case. That's it. That is so simple. Otherwise, the certified copy will always act as a prima facie evidence. Prima facie is the legal maxim. It means on the face of it. Okay, on the face of it. In the first instant, that is called prima facie. If I will show you, then in the first instant you can easily say that, the ma'am, this is a pen. That is called prima facie evidence. Okay, so the books which is kept in the bank for the record, that is known as the prima facie evidence. Okay, which can be represented before the court. Now fifth one. Okay, under the RTI Act, the period of providing information is, this question we have already done in today's session of 7:30 p.m. You can easily now see that, sir and ma'am, that how the question come in your this one. So that's why I used to say, please first of all clear your concept, and the second one try to do in a practical way. So under RTI Act, the period for providing information is 5 days, 1 week, 21 days and 30 days. So for this one, the exact answer is, that is 30 days. This is the exact one. Sixth one. Oh, again RTI. The information can be obtained by any person in India, including artificial person, companies, firm, corporation, Indian citizen, or all of the above. Sixth one. The information can be obtained by any person. Please see the word and then just tick mark on the right answer. Information can be obtained by sixth one, can be obtained by this, any person? No, any person, no. Company, only from the company, firm and corporation. It is not whether it is private, public, nothing is there. So information can be obtained by Indian citizen. So in my opinion, this is the exact answer. C is the exact answer of this one. Sixth, C is the exact answer, that is Indian citizen. Okay, now seventh one. Please see this question very carefully. A trust is governed by Trust Act 1882 if it is private trust. Public Trust Act if it is a public trust. Okay. Waqf Act, it is a Muslim trust, and trustee of a Muslim trust is called Mutawalli. Seventh is something tricky one. See, first of all, for this one you have to understand what is trust. Trust simply means, suppose this is the health trust. This is the private health trust which is made by me. Okay, in this health trust, I am the owner. So I just open this trust. I just this one contractor had just made a very beautiful building in which the health trust is going on, and from this health trust I have just limited that only this area of people will get, suppose this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Only these people can get benefit from the my health trust, because these are, in legal term we call as the beneficiary. What we call as the beneficiary. Okay, now I just appointed Arthi ma'am. As the trustee. Trustee means, you can say that is the manager. Trustee means that is the manager. Okay, so My trust is handled by the Aarthi ma'am, and these are the beneficiary who take benefit, that is a health benefit from this one. This is called the basic trust. Trust is basically made for the charity. Private means it's mine. Public means charity for the whole public. So in this one, A is written, a trust is governed by Trust Act if it is private trust. This is exactly right. Public trust if it is public trust. Public Trust Act, if it is public trust, then it will be handled by the Public Trust Act. This is also right. C is Waqf F. You know, in Muslim community, the trust is made, that is called as that's made under the Waqf Act. Okay, and trustee of a Muslim is called Mutawali. This is also a right answer. So for this question 7th, for this question, yeah, this A will be the exact answer. A to D are the correct one. Okay. Now, 8th one. Okay. In pledge, the possession of good is with the creditor, which can be actual, symbolic, trust receipt. Okay. 8th one. In the pledge, the possession of goods is with the creditor. That is absolutely right. Which can be actual. It means the physical possession is with the creditor. Goods are actually means this actually in the possession of this creditor. Symbolic means where the pawner hands over the control of goods to the pawnee without actual delivery. This is right of this answer, symbolic. Trust receipt. What is trust receipt? Where the goods are released to the pawner without payment by the pawnee on the basis of undertaking. This is absolutely exact one. In my opinion, I think actual, you know, A1 actual meaning is given, B1 symbolic meaning is given, and the C1 trust receipt, that is the actual meaning is given. So what will be the exact answer of 8th one? For the 8th one, the exact answer is, that is all are the correct one. Okay, all are the correct one in this question. Okay, and please be on the time. I generally used to see that, you know, my sessions start at 9 a.m. but many sir and ma'am just come at 9:15, 9:20. Then there is no use. I know people are very busy, and 9 p.m. also, you know, session that you generally used to eat dinner and just take dinner. But it's okay, but try to come. It is only for 1 to 2 months. After that, nobody will say you that, ma'am, please be on the time. You will live your own life. I will live my own life. I have to just, you know, treat the other student, and I just to teach other students. So that's why January, February, only 2 months you have to focus on 7:30 p.m. and 9 p.m. After that, enjoy your life after selection in the JAIIB. Okay. 9th one. Which of the following is more appropriate difference between the deferred payment guarantee and the term loan? This is very important. Deferred payment guarantee, as you know that this is a type of bank guarantee in which the bank will give guarantee, you know, on the basis of the installment, or if the borrower is taking the machine by giving the installment money to the creditor. So in that case, the bank will act as a bank will give the deferred payment guarantee. Okay, so the A option is that term loan is sanctioned for the purpose of fixed asset, but this when deferred payment guarantee for the purpose of current asset. Okay, it is a more appropriate. Term loan is a fund-based loan and DPG is a semi-fund-based loan. C is in term loan, funds outlay is immediate, but DPG is contingent. Contingent means that's depend upon the uncertain event, and in the deferred payment guarantee, the event when event will happen when the borrower is not able to pay the money. And last is TL is appraisal is more detailed compared to the appraisal of DPG proposal. So for the 9th one, the exact answer is 9th one. C is the exact answer of this one. Okay, C is the exact answer. 10th one. What is a function of private key out of the pair key used in the electronic signature? See, in 7:30 session we have done with the IT Act, and in IT Act I just used to say that this question about private key and public key generally used to come, so you have to give answer for this one, 10th one. So for the 10th one, the exact answer is private. PC, Priyanka Chopra. So you have to take mark on to create the electronic signature, and public key for verify. 11th. Oh, this is previous year question. The constitutional validity of SURFACE was questioned before Supreme Court in which of the following cases? It's, you know, this is the full form of your SURFACE, that is securitization and reconstruction of financial asset and enforcement of the Security Interest Act. What will be the exact answer? Transcore versus Union of India, Madhya Chemical versus Union of India, Madurai Chemical versus Union of India, and Marshall Chemical versus ICICI Bank. What will be the exact answer of this one? So for this one, no need to just think. The exact answer is Madhya Chemical versus Union of India. This is the exact answer. Now 12th one. As per the information, see, all questions I think belong from this 7:30 p.m. session. Right now? Right? 7:30 p.m. we have done with the IT, transfer of property, and this one RTI. Questions are there. It's a surprise for you. As per Information Technology Act 2000, the penalty for damage to computer system, etc. has been fixed up to the damage dash by the way of compensation to the affected person. Tell me. 12th one. For the 12th one, the exact answer is it's a 100 lakh, that is a 1 crore. Okay, this is the exact answer. So hope so you enjoy the session. Okay, so today is 7th January, exam on 22 January. God knows that maybe your LRAB exam also can be postponed, but this doesn't matter. Just always take the thing in a positive way. I am very, optimistic person. I am very positive person, because if I think that, oh, Corona, I just missed my exam, no. I have just got the opportunity to revise those weak section in which I just skipped, in which I just, leave that portion. So that's why just, focus on this PPB, AFB and your LRAB subject. All subjects are important. So that's why it's a request to all of you to just revise your syllabus, and in 10 January, your English medium batch is going to be start, in which you can easily get the crash course. Quick revision will be done in 10 days. Okay, and your 125 plus case study question will be done. I think there are so many questions we have done in the 7:30 a.m. also and in 9 p.m. session also. So it's a request to all of you to please be focused on this session, so that you can easily learn the, revising is different thing, but after revising, if you are not able to do the answer, then it is no use. So that's why just clear your concept in these days, okay, and be focused on the questions. And you can ask many questions as you want. Those students who have taken paid batch from LRAB of mine, they know that ma'am always used to, boost up your confidence by saying that no, this is just treat this, that this is your last opportunity, and after that I have a no exam. When you think that, then the pressure will be already come in you, and you will just focus on your study. I know that you people are very settled in a very good, bank, but everything, but not all thing. But for everything, you have to be focused. Okay? Any more question you can easily ask in a comment box, in a chat box. And in a chat box, if I am not able to give your answer, so please write in a comment box. I will always available for you. Okay? Have a good day. You can ask the question. I'm here for 1 minute. And those who just want to take a 12-month validity course, that is JAIIB ka Mahapack, in which in 1 year, whatever live course, video course, test series, whatever things will become, all will be included in JAIIB ka Mahapack.